Greetings and welcome to the Agile Store Locator plugin. In this video, I'll show you how you can add additional social fields and social icons to your Store Locator widget. So let's get started. So here we have a Store Locator widget, and as you can see, we currently have no social icons on any of our stores. So now let's see how we can add them. Let's head over to WordPress and go to Agile Store Locator, and let's head over to ASL settings. Scroll down here to manage additional fields, and as you can see, we have a Facebook social icon field and a Instagram social icon field. Let's see how we can add a additional social icon field. Simply click on new field. Now let's add a Snapchat social icon field, and the control name will be lowercase Snapchat followed by underscore URL. Now we just need to get the CSS class for each of these social fields. And before we get that, let's click on Save Fields. And now to get the CSS class, we have installed a plugin called Font Awesome. So you'll also need to install this plugin to proceed. Once the plugin is installed, go to the Font Awesome website. And from here, you can get the CSS class of each of those three social fields. So let's get the one for Facebook first. Here it is. Copy this code here, head back to ASL settings and paste it over here, and just remove this part here and keep this part of the code. Now let's get the code for Instagram. Here it is. Copy this code, head back to ASL settings, paste it over here. Once again, remove this section here and just keep this part. Now let's get the Snapchat CSS code. Here it is. Click on copy code snippet, head back to ASL setting, paste it over here. Once again, remove this part. And once that is done, click on Save Fields. So now the CSS class has been added for these three social fields. Now let's head over to our Manage Store section and edit a store. Let's go with the store over here. Head over to the Other Details tab over here. And as you can see, the Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat field have been placed over here. So let's fill in these fields. And once the fields have been added, simply click on Update Store. And once the fields have been updated, now let's head over to our Store Locator widget and refresh the page and see what happens. And as you can see, we now have three social icons for the store which we edited. Let's see how we can rearrange these icons to a different place. So to do that, let's head back to WordPress, head over to Agile Store Locator, go to ASL settings, head over to the Customizer tab over here, and then load the template you were using. It was template 4 in our case. Click on Load Template. Now simply scroll down here and remove the social icons from its current place and move it to somewhere that is suitable for you. So for example, you can place it over here after the title. Once that is done, click on Save Template. Now let's head back to the store locator widget, and now let's refresh the page and see what happens. And as you can see, the social icons have been moved to the top right under the title. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.